Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So, NEO update, we couldn't get to it yesterday, but it also formed a divergence pattern right here. You see higher low in the indicator, lower low in price pattern, took off. Right now we've updated the retracement levels, so minor pullback. We got a first cross rotation zone in 4 hour. Minor pullback. We're watching for a key support at 105.27. If that does break, then the next major support level is 92.95 area. Did a projection from the lows from the sell-off up to the most recent high around earlier today on the 6th. Or that was actually technically yesterday. And then that projected 116.77. Then 122.44 has not hit the 122.44 level. I'm going to leave that in place, and I will show you why. Switching over to the daily chart, that 122.44 is just below the top of the declining rotation zone. That's going to be very, very key resistance. Now, if we do get through that, especially on a closing basis, the next key levels we'll watch for is this cluster right around 132. So that is the major area that we'll be watching for. Switching over to NEM/XEM. Okay, so this also divergence buy, higher low in the indicator, lower low in price action, just spiking below our 37.77 area and then recovering quickly. We've also updated these price projections now. So we got the first cross rotation zone, key support coming in about 54.50 to 53.84. So that's what we'll be watching. If we have a bigger pullback, we get below that rotation zone first cross, then we're going to watch for a next level support 48.15, then major support coming in at 45, about 49. Now run up. Going to be watching a return to this 59.83 level. Then we have a cluster, pretty strong cluster, 62.74 to 62.81. That's going to be a very strong cluster. And then above that would be 65.66, but we'll have to fine tune that on the daily chart. Now watch, right here we have the 50-period exponential moving average at 61.24. Always keep an eye on there. As if we do run up, that's also a great place to move up your stops even before this key cluster level. Now let's check out that daily chart to help fine tune these levels. That's not going to be great if we can't see it very well. So, all right. So, on the push up, that 61 level, also the declining 8 EMA, that's going to be a very, very key level. Do not ignore it, especially on a closing basis. So we might spike through, hit these clusters, but then if we close back below it, that is not as bullish. Sort of where we sit on NEM, XEM, just watching to see how much this rally can sustain. Remember, we're going against the rotation zone now, so anywhere up in here, we could turn back down and sell off again. Not saying we need to sell off to new lows, but we could have another sell-off, and that's why I listed the key support that we don't want to see a close below about this 45 area. So we have for you on NEM, XEM, and NEO. We will talk to you soon. Bye for now.